Welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on Bullstock Info that look promising for trade for Friday, August 7th. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit www.bullstock.info. Alrighty, we will start with a couple of bullish engulfing chart patterns for this video. A couple of bullish engulfing chart patterns. We'll start with MVIS, Microvision, MVIS. You'll notice we have again a nice little uptrend. Looking at our chart with the 8 exponential and the 34 exponential moving averages. Your 8 is your black line and your 34 is the kind of orange line. Nice uptrend. Go back and look to about mid-May. You can see where we kind of hit the bottom at $1.50 or so. And the 8 crossing over the 34 moving average. When that 8 crosses over the 34 moving average, that's a bullish trend, bullish sign. And of course that has been a bullish trend as the 8 has continued to trade above the 34. Stock essentially a little more than doubling in price. Good run up, a couple of days of consolidation pullback, and a nice bullish engulfing signal today. And remember, the strength of your bullish engulfing helps to determine the success, if you will. So this bullish engulfing is engulfing 3 previous candlesticks from the 3 previous trading days. So that is a good-looking bullish engulfing there. And if you look at the stochastics, you'll notice they are midway, curling up, plenty of room to go. Your 200-day moving average, your red line, is in an uptrend now. Your 50-day moving average, then your 20-day moving average, and the bullish engulfing helped us close above the 8 exponential moving average, which is your dashed line there. So moving average is looking good, proper order stacking, good-looking bullish engulfing. And again, the power of the signal engulfing 3 previous candlesticks. And we'll take a look at eBay now. eBay, it's another bullish engulfing chart pattern. And if you look back from the first part of this month, we had a couple of doji symbols following the bearish day. Look how those dojis corresponded to the stochastics in the oversold area. Following the 2 doji, we had a positive day. Stochastics started to curl up, and we just went from there. And then we had a big gap day one day, maybe a little bit of profit taking as we kind of caught our breath a little bit, let the 8 exponential average catch up with us, and we found support on that 8 EMA yesterday and today. And today a bullish engulfing, and again the same thing for eBay. The strength of the bullish engulfing on about a 4% move today. The bullish engulfing engulfing completely the 3 previous days candlesticks. So 2 good-looking bullish engulfing chart patterns there, MVIS and eBay. All right, want to take a look at a morning star signal now. A morning star signal, one of your high probability bullish candlesticks. The morning star is a 3 candlestick chart pattern. As you can see, 2 days previously we had a big bearish day. Yesterday, a hammer type signal, bearish day. Then today the gap up and positive close to complete the morning star signal, your 3 candlestick chart pattern there. And today's movement got us above the 20-day, the 50-day, and the 8 exponential moving averages. Put us right in that area of consolidation there at the recent high. Looks like we're closing just above that most recent high. So a nice looking morning star, high probability bullish candlestick. And as you can see as we scroll down to the stochastics area, stochastics were approaching the oversold area and have started to curl up. So nice looking morning star for AEO. American Eagle Outfitter, the ticker symbol AEO. And also want to take a look at the morning doji star signal. The morning doji star signal, also a very high probability bullish candlestick. Pretty much the same as a morning star pattern, except your third candlestick ends in the doji symbol, morning doji star. Again, same thing. As you look back here to the first part of July, Rost, R-O-S-T, Rost Stores, R-O-S-T. You go back a little further. Had kind of made a little move up, then sideways channeling. Support right along the 50-day moving average, your blue line. Your moving averages are great sources of support, but also look at the 20-day moving average, your gray line, providing some resistance. So trading in that channel of the two moving averages. Early part of July, we get the bullish engulfing signal right there. You see that gray or green bullish engulfing signal? That led to a positive movement, close above the 20-day moving average, and Rost took off from there. Again, a very fast move up from about 38 and some change up to $44.71 or so. So a nice move up, quick move up. Then we kind of started slowing down a little bit, letting our catch our breath. Some sideways movement for a couple of days. Then 4 days of bearish move before the last 3 days formed the morning doji star symbol. And again, stochastics curling up, oversold right at the oversold area, and starting to curl up. So again, high probability bullish candlestick chart pattern. It's your morning doji star for ROST. All right, take a look at a 3 inside up chart pattern. 3 inside up chart pattern. For those new to our videos, the 3 inside up is essentially a candlestick that confirms a previous day's bullish harami candle. And you'll notice yesterday we had the harami or harami signal. Today we have a gap up, positive movement, close above that, so that completes or confirms the signal from yesterday. Now you saw stochastics or see stochastics down at the bottom, oversold, curling up. We like that. We do want to watch that 200-day moving average, that red line. Could provide some resistance for us, so you want to see a positive open tomorrow, continued positive trade. Like to get through the 200 tomorrow if we could. If you manage your stop, keep a tight stop loss. Maybe you can hold it over the weekend if you like, and try to get above that 200 on Monday. But we'd like to get above that 200. Then we look to fill that huge amount of gap right there from that drop from 35.79 way down to close well below 25 or so. So big area to fill the gap. First profit target long range, of course, could be your 20-day moving average, which lines up, that gray line right there, the 20-day, which lines up with some resistance there around the $32.73 mark. So SYNA is your 3 inside up chart pattern. And finally, a 3 outside up chart pattern, 3 outside up. The outside up confirms a bullish engulfing signal. And we had the engulfing yesterday, a small engulfing, but engulfing nonetheless. Confirmation of that today. So we closed above the 8 exponential moving average. We do want to see positive open and movement to get above the 2 most recent highs, which are a little below that $9.34 mark. You can see the 2 most recent highs there. And scroll over here so you can see the price just under the 934 mark. So I want to definitely see it get there. And if you want to take a quick profit on that one, you certainly could. That could be a profit area for you, profit target. But if we can get through that and everything's still lining up, looking good, we have a little bit of room to go. So anyway, that's our 3 outside up for ES Energy Solutions. 3 outside up for ES. Well, thanks everybody for watching our bullish candlestick chart pattern video. Compliments of the website bullstock.info. For a complete list of free bullish candlestick chart patterns each and every day, just visit the website www.bullstock.info.